I am making something quite unique today and I am really, really excited about it. I'm making cauliflower pizza steaks, which I originally saw this with cabbage steaks and I was like, oh, I like the look of that. But then I have just picked 2 heads of cauliflower out of my garden. The slugs have absolutely nailed them, so they don't look that really, you know, like you get from the supermarket. So I thought I need to be creative with these. And I am absolutely like, cannot wait to share this with you. My name is Wick Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm about empowering healthy living for women. So I've got a couple of different stages for you that I'm going to share with you. I've got the finished product. For those of you who are just joining me, there's the finished product. Cauliflower pizza steaks. I've got a partly cooked one, and then I've got the raw one. So all I've done is taken a cauliflower. Now my cauliflowers out of the garden aren't as dense as a bought one from the supermarket or that I get from the market. So they would even work better from the markets. But I've cut it into a steak. Okay, so I'd say about 1 centimetre thick, right? And I've got a couple here, and then I've got a mixture of oil and some spices and onion powder, onion flakes, which I am just going to spread onto here. Now, if you are on my email list, you will get this recipe into your inbox tomorrow. If you're not on my email list, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/new and register, and that will ensure that you will get it tomorrow. So I'm just liberally brushing this oil and herbs and spices over the cauliflower. Okay, so you can see what I've done there. Then I'm going to put it into the oven and roast it for 20 minutes. Now that is, and then after 10 minutes, I'm going to flip it so that it's roasting evenly both sides. I have got my already roasted one here, which I did this morning. So I'm putting it on my plate, and then all I'm going to do is put my toppings on it. The flavoring from the roasted, from the oil and spice blend is really, really gorgeous. And then I'm just topping it with some pesto, and I've got some harissa chili, not very chili. And you could use pizza sauce. You can put anything on the top of these. I've also got some onion, just finely chopped up onion. I'm also a mushroom lover, so I've got some mushrooms on the top of them. So the beautiful thing about this is it keeps it totally low carb, super healthy, and quick and easy, and like another way to get more veggies into your diet, because that's what I'm all about. Now see, I've made that. So once I get those get that one out of the oven, I will put this in, and then I will bake it for around 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and the cheese is melted. If this appeals to you and you are looking for healthier ways to, ways to eat healthier and to create healthy habits, I am starting a 5-day challenge Monday the 14th of August, which is all about Revive and Thrive, a 5-day healthy eating reboot. So if you are interested in coming on board and just having a 5 days of really kickstarting some healthy habits, then I would love you to join me. I'm going to put the link in the comments box below, but head to wickedwellbeing.com/habits and you can sign up to there. There's a challenge toolkit. There is loads of information, excuse me, and I'm just excited about sharing my tips on how I make healthy eating a habit. So just head to wickedwellbeing.com/habits and you can register for that. You'll get emailed the toolkit, and we will be kicking off on the 14th of August. But I would love to know, are you someone who, have you tried cauliflower pizza steaks before? Or is this something that appeals to you that you will give a go? I can't wait to have them for lunch. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're not already on my email list and you want this recipe, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new. I'll put that link in the comments box below as well. I appreciate it's a little bit confusing with those two links. Okay, see you soon, and tomorrow for Thermomix Thursday, I've got a meeting at 12:30, so I'm going to have to do the Thermomix Thursday at 12 p.m. Okay, see you then. Bye.